y'all, it's Janine and you're watching Living Life with a Twist. Okay, today we're going to do a super quick video because you know I like to keep them short. Don't want to waste your time. It's going to be about a green tea mask. And I'm going to have Mom put the picture up right here. This is the one. And that's where I am in the green tea mask myself. It actually took me several tries to get this one right. I don't like it when a mask dries on my face so bad that I can see the fine lines and the cracks. I feel like it's sucking the life out of me. You want to put moisture in your skin, not like that. So it took me several tries to get the green tea mask recipe just right. So if you like this, hit thumbs up, subscribe, notification, and please leave some comments and stick around and you're going to have that recipe real quick. Alright, thanks y'all. Okay y'all, here we go. I'm actually using Carrington Farms Culinary Matcha Powder, but you can use any that you like, but the actual, to buy this on Amazon is going to be below. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1/2 teaspoon of the matcha powder. Now, these have a lot of antioxidants. There's caffeine. It has a lot of really good stuff for you, not only internally but externally. And you can see I'm going to take the 1/2 teaspoon and put this over here. I also have the Nate's Natural 100% pure raw and unfiltered honey, and I think you've seen this in some of my other videos, and yes, I love honey. You know I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and for that I'm going to be putting a 1/2 teaspoon of this as well. This is actually what's going to keep the mask from seriously drying out. Okay, and just kind of get it in there. Okay, and then this is just Walmart brand plain non-fat yogurt. So you can, find that at any of your local grocery stores, but I use the plain, obviously, and I'm going to go for a good teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Kind of use the lid there to make sure I have good measurements. I mean, this isn't rocket science, but I try to keep it measurements correct here. So this is actually, when I'm at work, I use a fan brush for masks, but I have this one here at home. And so that's, as I said, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. And you keep mixing it around until it gets nice and goopy. Now, it doesn't look like it's making a whole lot, but this is actually just to be used on your face. If you wanted to use it for your entire chest and your throat, then you would double this recipe, because I will do that, and you saw that in my picture, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you how well this spreads right on my hand. And that's why I say this is plenty for the face. Now, you want to avoid, you don't want to put it in your eye. You don't want to do any of that, but leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I think that y'all will see a lovely effect for your skin, a little bit of a glow, and it's nice and moisturizing. It has caffeine, which helps constrict some of the under eye circles, and I do pat this under my eye. You can use this, just, be careful. Pat, don't put it in your eye. I didn't say put it in your eye. Pat around and give it a try. 15 to 20 minutes. Go and wash it off and see what you think. Please leave a comment below if you've tried this or if you have any kind of suggestions. I love to take suggestions. I love to hear from any and all of y'all. So go on and do that, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.